Jai Hind, Saraswati Shisu Kunj Vagwala Board says standard 5th subject EVS, right? And as you know that we are doing chapter number 13, that is what if it finishes, right? And in a previous video, we have learned that group of students, they went on journey from Ahmedabad to Adalas, right? And it is 18 kilometers away from Ahmedabad. So in a midway, they observed that there is lots of vehicles on the road, right? They are observing the number of vehicles, they are counting, even there are auto rickshaws, cars, buses, bicycles, right? And they notice that there are less bicycles and more other vehicles like car and auto rickshaws. So they were thinking that what is that thing that is required to run any kind of vehicle, right? So they come on conclusion that petrol, diesel, kerosene and many other fuels we have on which this kind of vehicles run on. Bicycle and rickshaw, like in which we are connecting the animals. Those two things require human energy, means we are pedaling the bicycle and animals are carrying that rickshaw, right? Auto rickshaw is a different thing. It runs on CNG, right, on petrol. Okay, so we discuss this. After that, they stop at some petrol pump and they were discussing with uncle. Before that, they have seen one poster which is on the board. It was written that we have to think before using petrol. We should not waste any kind of fuel, right? We have to use that fuel judicially. It will over some day. The conclusion was like that of that poster, right? Petrol price and diesel price was also written on there. The meaning that petrol and diesel are so much precious, we can say. If we will not use it judicially, it will over some day. Today we will discuss about treasure from the earth, right? We will discuss that how they take out this petroleum from which all this fuel are separated, right? So let's discuss this. It is not easy to find out where oil is. Oil means petroleum or crude oil, right? Scientists require many kind of equipments and technology to just find out the proper place that where the oil is, the place of the oil, right? And after that they require pipes, right? Long pipes which go below the surface of the earth, and then that petroleum or oil is pumped up through that pipes. The oil is thick, dark color and it is smelly. Many different things are mixed in it. To clean that oil, it is sent to the refineries, right? The refinery where this petroleum is getting cleaned, and we get kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil, these all things separately. That is refinery. It is also used to make several things like plastic paints, right, and many other things. Now, how we use this petroleum, right? What is the use of the petroleum? So, see here what is the use of petroleum. So, here you can see use of petroleum. For dry cleaning, they use petrol in that, right? Next one, for lighting, right? Like in olden times, they are using this kind of fuel like kerosene, right? They are filling in one lantern and they are lighting it up, right? Okay, next one. As a petrol, diesel or aeroplane fuel, right? Petroleum is also used as petrol, diesel or aeroplane fuel. Next one, as kerosene and LPG. LPG means that cylinder that you have, red color cylinder in your kitchen, right? That is LPG, liquid petroleum gas. Okay. To run machines also it is useful. For making plastic and paints, as I told you, for making plastic and paints, this petroleum or crude oil is useful. Now, if we have this petroleum, or we can say kerosene, petrol and diesel, so we can use like this. But now imagine that we don't have crude oil, right? And many villages are there, still they are not getting this petrol, diesel, CNG. Why? Because it is so much costly and they are using the other thing, right? Other thing means uple. Have you seen uple? Right? Let's discuss that how they are using uple and wood to cook their food and other purposes. Look, this is a story kind of thing. Wood for chulas. Haryana, in which one lady named Durga was living. She spent many hours in collecting woods, more than 3 hours, for just collecting wood for chulas. Chulas means stove. Her daughter also helped her. From past 3 months she has cough and lots of smoke get produced when dump wood is burned. Due to that dump wood and the smoke of the dump wood, Durga's respiratory is infected, we can say like that. But Durga do not have any other option. They don't have money to buy food. So how they will buy wood or other fuel like kerosene? So that is critical condition in Indian village. Many villages are facing this difficulty. They don't have other option. Maybe they are using uple and wood, right? And because of that, a smoke that is very dangerous for their health. Today about 2/3 peoples are using uple, wood and dry twigs for their chulas. These are used not only for cooking, it is used also for keeping the surrounding warm. For heating water and for lighting it is used. Means the thing that we are doing with the fuel, they all think they are doing with this wood and uple. Some of the houses has LPG and kerosene, but the condition is not that much easy to live. Here you can see both the graphs in 1976 and 1996. Here you can see only 9 families are shifted to other sources of fuel like LPG, kerosene, right? But what about other family? In 1976 there are 84 families depends on uple and other fuel like dry wood, right? But in 1996 it is only 75, means only 9 families are shifted in the interval of 20 years. Means for fuel still villages are not getting priorities, right? That responsibility is on you because you are the future of new nation, right? That how we can reduce the use of fuel, right? And there are many ways that I discussed with you in the previous video. How we can reduce the use of petrol. Turn off the engine when you stop your vehicle at red light or anywhere. Don't keep it on. If you want to go to nearby distance, walk or use bicycle. If it is possible, use CNG. So these are the ways that how we can save fuel and we can help these villagers. So I hope you understand both the videos, right? And with this video I'm not going to send you worksheet because this topic we already covered in the live class and you get it. And I think now this chapter, that what if it finishes, is completed. So thank you so much.